Welcome to this DelfStack tutorial video. In today's tutorial, we will learn how to change location on TikTok. TikTok uses your location to personalize content, trends, and recommendations. While there is no direct option to manually set a country, you can influence your TikTok location using a few settings. Start by opening the TikTok app. Go to your profile. Tap the three horizontal lines. Select Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and find the option called Languages. Tap on App Language. Select the language of the country you want to see content from. Next, clear your TikTok cache. Go to your phone settings and clear the TikTok app cache. This helps TikTok refresh recommendations based on your updated preferences. Your SIM card, IP address, and region can also affect location-based content. Connecting to a different network or traveling to another country may naturally change the video shown on your For You page. You can also use a VPN and select a desired country if needed. That's it. You've learned how TikTok determines location and how to influence it using settings and cache resets. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other DelfStack tutorial videos.